Good morning, Goinkans. Hope you're doing well. Today we'll be revising measurement of liquids from your EVS textbook, chapter number 4, Water, a Wonderful Liquid, page number 18 and 19. So, dear Goinkans, as such, we know that whenever we want to measure the liquids, we measure them with the volume, and the volume of liquid is measured either in liters or in milliliters. Among the two, liters is the bigger quantity and milliliters is the smaller one. Fine. So as such, if we want to convert this liter into milliliter, we multiply the number so as to get the milliliter. Fine. And if we want to convert milliliter into liter, we divide the number so as to get the liter. So in order to understand it in much better way, let's just perform a few examples. Let's say for example, I have got a water bottle of 750 ml of water. Fine. And I want to convert it into liters. I want to see how much of this is in liters. So what will I do? Right, I will divide it with 1000. So what will be the answer? So the answer will be 0.750. What will be the unit? Right, we are dividing it. That means we are converting it into the liter. So what will be the answer? 0.750 is the answer for this question. Now say for example, we have got 13.5 liter of water and we want to convert it into milliliters, and we want to see how much of milliliters it is. So what will we do? Right, we will multiply it with 1000, and what will be the answer? 13,500 milliliter. So that's how we do the conversions. But dear Goinkans, do you know we have got some vessels which are usually used for measuring the water or liquid. So these devices are as such made up of transparent glasses and have got small markings on it. Do you know what this marking is known as? Right, it is called graduation. Fine, I'm sure you might have seen such glasses or jars at science lab probably, and inshallah in future I'll be showing you few glass tumblers or cylinders with which you can just have a look and understanding the very particular concept of measuring vessels. So these vessels are used to measure the accurate amount of liquid. Fine, so that's all for today. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you, Goinkans.